Hey guys, in this video I will show you best pocket option strategy special for you. And as you can see, my live balance is $500 and I have placed $5 straight. Okay, live. And this is a not strategy, simple trend line strategy. This is not indicator strategy. Okay, this is a market analysis strategy, trend line strategy. Okay, and if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next strategy and next script. Okay, and next indicator. Okay, and if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next strategy and next script. Okay, and if you not join my telegram channel, please join my telegram channel for next video and next signal. Okay, and if you not join best binary option broker, link in my description box, simply click and sign up, start binary trading. Okay, as you can see, my live trade running on 1 minute left. Okay, why I have placed it? Because market is market is downtrend, and I have draw trend line and market this trend line, break this trend line and retest this trend line, and I have placed higher option trade. Okay, and market going up, as you can see market going up. Okay, this is a simple strategy. You have draw some trend line and not a indicator. Okay, 8 second. Okay, 5 4 3 2 1 and boom. Okay, I have profit almost $4. Very good, no problem. And here is I have placed $1 straight because very risky. Market now is close. Today is Friday. Okay, I have analyzed the market. Okay, trend line I have placed. Okay, very good. And this is a fake breakout. Okay, this is a not breakout, this is a fake breakout. Why fake breakout? And here is a level here. Okay, this is not a breakout. Okay, I have placed higher option for 3 minutes. Okay, because this is a demand area. Okay, let's see the result. Okay, as you can see, market going down. Okay, let's see. Here is a very strong level here, and market retest this area. Okay, market okay, as you can see, market going up. Please up. Okay, as you can see, market going up. Okay, but my entry very close. Okay, as you can see, market going up. If I trade 1 minute trade, I have 100% win this trade. Okay, simple strategy. Okay, first you can learn on binary option. Okay, then you can place trade. Okay, do not trade blindly. Okay, okay, market going up. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, oh man, shit, market. Okay, 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 6 40 seconds left. Okay, market going up. Oh man, here is a some gap up here. Shit, but no problem, I have covered this loss, but I have my analysis is 100% right. Okay, my timing is not good. Okay, no problem, 9 seconds left.